Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Auskang Slim Wallet here. It's compatible with the iOS. Find My app with coin compartment and RFID protection. This is a mini micro small wallet with a credit card case. This is a small wallet for man and woman and so on in a black finish. We have an integrated tracking function. This is a really cool thing, but it only works with the iOS system, okay? This wallet has an integrated tracking function. No additional purchase of a tracking card is required. This is perfectly compatible with the iOS Find My app that works like an airport. And it works with AirPods. It works with iPhone. It works with iPad and so on. And the function, where is my iPhone or where is my device? Find My app is the Apple app which you can use to track your wallet. This is perfectly compatible with iOS Find My. No need to download additional apps or something else. And we have a lost mode, for example. The wallet has a smart chip. When the wallet exceeds a certain distance from the phone will receive a notification about the lost item to help us quickly find it and increase our sense of security about our belongings can increase. And it's small and thin. The wallet offers 7 card slots for 7 up to 10 cards. 1 note compartment and 1 coin compartment on the back for 5 up to 8 coins. The size is 2.83 to 3.93 to 0.74 inches. It fits effortlessly in our pocket. This is ideal for on the go. And it's environmentally friendly materials. The material is made of robust microfiber, feels soft and like leather. When developing the artificial leather, they also touched about the planet. It consists of 63% recycled materials from consumers and significantly reduced the CO2 emissions compared to leather. And the wallet exquisitely crafted, stylish, compact, and elegant, and with an excellent feeling. The user-friendly card removal allows us to easily remove the cards from the slots without any hassle. This is a very suitable gift for family, friends, husband, and fathers. And it's easy to pair, okay? We have a function button and we have a loudspeaker. We have we can push on the button, okay, to switch on device and use it. To use the Find My app or to locate the Find Wallet Plus wallet, we should have an iPhone, an iPad Touch is running with iOS 14.5 or later, or an iPad with iOS 14.5 or later. The latest version of the iOS, iPadOS, or macOS is recommended. And it should have Wi-Fi or a cellular connection is strong. Not of the wallet, of your smartphone, for example. We press the function button once to power it on, and it will play a ring chime indicating it is powered on. We press and hold the function button for at least 3 seconds to power it off, for example, and it will play a low-pitch ringing chime indicating that the power will be switched to off. But we have to pair it with our device. We open the Find My app on our phone, okay, or other supported devices. We place our Find Wallet Plus one next to the phone, for example. We press the function button twice to read to connect. One beep will be heard. We tap plus, then we tap add other item. The other item is required. Once your Find Wallet Plus is discovered, tap Connect. We enter a name and choose an emoji, for example, to continue. We tap Agree to allow the Find Plus link to our Apple ID, and then we tap Add to other item. We do not interrupt the connection. If interrupt occurs during connection, we perform a read operation of Find My Wallet Plus, and then we can use it. Really cool. Then we locate our Find Wallet Plus, for example. The play sound to find when it's nearby. we open the Find My app, we tap the Item tab, we tap on our Find Wallet Plus from the item list, we tap the play sound to make the play continuous chord tone alert, and we tap this stop sound to stop the alert once we found it. Job's done. Really cool. We can use directions to find the location when it is away. We open Find My app, we tap to Item, we tap on Find Wallet Plus from the item list, and then we can make a navigation to it. We can enable notification with it. We open the My app, open the Item app, we tap on Find My Plus app, we swipe upward to bring the full settings. We use notifications, enable notification when found toggle. When we find per Wallet Plus is seen by another Find My network, we will receive a notification of its location. It's really cool because it does not require an extra additional subscription or something. It works with the Apple services device of our device. Really cool, smart ID. What the Find Wallet Plus brings us to us, and it is a security guard for our wallet here. This is the Auskang Slim Wallet, which is compatible with the iOS system and the Find My app, with coin compartment and RFID protection. It's a mini wallet with credit card case. It's a small wallet for man, woman, and so on in a black finish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sensor!